Hi guys, it's me Natalie. And my sister.
Kanecha.
And Sky's part of the natkornsquad. And today we're doing a throwback from 3 years ago. And we are going to be doing fidget trading. So as you see some OGs like, can we please talk about this baby? And that baby.
And that.
And this.
And
the
that.
OG sponge. And that. Obviously, if you guys have been a fan for a while, you know some of these OG squishies and squishies. And guess what, guys? We still have the bobblehead. So let's get started. So we picked out the squishies, those fidgets, one by one. And now we are going to be picking them out. Well, fidget trading. So this is how I've organised them. My poppet, my little fidgies, squishies. And all my little ones and my bobblehead. Look how cute these are. Now, show how you did yours.
So I did poppets first, then I did randoms. And by the way, guys, this is my favourite. So unless Natalie puts a really good offer, I'm not going to accept. Yeah, you're gonna be shocked.
I'm shocked.
You better be girl.
Okay.
Yeah, so sorry.
Let's fidget trade. So, rock, paper, scissors to go first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm a loser. So, I'm going to put in this. Because I already have that, so I'm going to see what yours offer. Have you guys got the new room makeover?
I offer.
Add, please, more.
And lads. That.
I'm accepting.
Even.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Iconic squishy. Iconic. So. Oh, were you just playing with yours?
I offer in this big pocket.
Oh. Decline. I don't want it.
Can I add in something else then?
Yes, please. I do like that. So I think I'm going to put in one of my poppets. So that one's nice. So not that one. That one's nice too. So not that one. So I've all done this one's like the worst one. So I'll so if I put this one.
I heard that right.
And I think I'm gonna put a squishy because look how this one's so nice and soft. I can't do this one. Oh, okay. Oh gee, guys, you know this. I feel like I'm gonna put in this and whee, the bouncy balls.
That's not the one.
You get all. So this is my offer.
I accept.
Oh yeah. Guys, this is actually so funny. Like go like this.
I was accepting for fun of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is so fun, guys. Okay, my turn.
Cinderella.
I'm gonna add. Yes. This is such a cutie. This is like from Mickey Mouse, Pluto. And I'm also gonna add bobblehead. Oh, it's not moving. Oh, it's not moving. Oh, it's not moving.
Wait, can you record me the whole time? No one's to see your stuff.
Bobblehead. So I'm adding these two cuties.
So I'm gonna add it in Cinderella. Can you record me the whole time? And
okay.
I'll add in
I'm recording.
No, I'm not adding.
Yeah. What are you adding?
No.
Decline. Please add more.
I'll add in that.
I'm gonna accept.
Give me stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Look, that's how you do it.
I actually love this. Like, this is just like that.
Okay. This.
Oh, guys, OG. This is an OG. Like, can we just talk about how cool this is? You just put bonus business. This one came off. I don't know where it is, but you can like play with it inside and move this around. Oh, it's so fun.
Oh, you stop yapping now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some my.
Oh, it's cute.
I'm gonna add in my best fidget.
Cute. She had blue eyes like me. She looks like me. Does she?
Bro.
Does she look like me, guys? Okay, go.
I'm gonna add my best fidget.
What is that? So it sounds like two things clapping. Yeah, do it.
Excuse me, you can't use it.
Oh, mamma mia. Oh, yeah, I know.
Finally. Yeah, well, yeah, adding for it. By the way, you can't use it.
By the way, me and my sister are going to be recreating our old videos and reacting to some of them, aren't we?
Yeah. Wait, should we record when we're reacting to them?
Yeah, we're going to record ourselves reacting to our videos. Oh, sorry, you're putting that in?
What are you offering?
I'm going to put in this.
Yeah.
I really like this, so it's too iconic. This.
That, can you give me my pillow, my blue one? That, can you get it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, and I'm also going to add in this squishy. Actually, no, this one's so soft. But since I'm so nice, I'm going to add in this one.
What's it called? Just the best video.
Excuse me, I'm not done. Yes! Shakira, Shakira, just like this. The man must be funny. Hey, Shakira, Shakira, Shakira. So, she can actually create a music show with this and this. Shakira, Shakira. Shakira, Shakira.
Why is Shakira really imagine?
Shakira.
Other clothes.
So look at this. Oh, you declined. My turn. I'm adding the legendary, the myth, the legend. Peas in the pot. Look how cute. I don't think we had this in the channel 3 years ago, but it has cute little faces. There we go.
So I'm gonna add this Fidget's gonna pop it. And pop. And then pimple.
Oh yeah. That's what it's called for.
Shout out.
I accept. Okay, keep on going.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Keep on going.
That's
Oh, Simple Dimple. This is so cool. I actually love Simple Dimples. Like, look how fun. Like, you can literally just be anywhere and just be playing with these.
Excuse me, it's got me.
I think it's who has the most vision wins. Because look at this, guys.
No, it's not. It's the best Fidgets.
I get it. I actually love this. Like, look at this, guys. Isn't this like super duper fun? Like, it's so fun. And I just can't stop playing with it.
Bro, stop talking. It's supposed to be fidget trading. Sorry, carry on now.
Okay, well, so I feel like I'm gonna add the legendary.
It's my turn.
Ging, ging, ging,
Sorry,
ging,
it's my
ging.
turn.
Oh, sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, sorry. Your turn, go.
I'm gonna add this marble. My favorite colours are. Please, can you not try that out?
Rip off. My turn. So I'm gonna add gang, 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 gang.
I'm gonna add bang, 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 bang.
Please add because I like that one.
I'm gonna add a really good puppet. Like, look, on the right side and the best side. That's really good.
Okay.
I think the phone's gonna use it.
Oh, sorry. I won it. I don't know why I put it away. Yeah. Can we do another trade and you add that?
Yeah.
Can you add that? Can you add that?
Okay.
Okay. So, what I'm gonna trade.
Sorry, there's something under the bed.
Okay. So, since my sister added this, I feel like I really want that back. So I'm gonna add this. Look how cool this is. This is really cool. So I'm gonna add this. And then, do you know what these legendary spinners? Wait, hold up. spin it for me. Wee. Oh wait.
Decline.
I mean,
Decline.
wait. Do you see? I can do it.
Decline.
Let me show you guys.
Decline. I've declined.
Look at this, guys.
I've declined.
She gotta do that.
I find.
Okay. Excuse me, I haven't finished adding. I'm adding more though. Put it back in, please.
I'm gonna decline to even.
So, there. This. Like, look.
No, thank you.
Hear the sound. Okay. This. Are you ready for banger? Dun, 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 dun. Banger. What are you doing?
Decline. That was fun.
Okay. Did you say decline?
Yeah. What?
I'm sorry, I'm just.
Okay, so it's my turn. I'm going to add these 3 balls.
Oh! The ballies. I love this. Can you stop tapping the floor? Dogs are sleeping downstairs.
Sorry. Sorry. Add.
Excuse me. Yep, that works. That works.
There we go.
Okay. We're gonna break for a second. Guys, the ball went down my bed. Just gonna go get it now. Okay, I feel like this is enough, Choo Mama.
Okay, I accept.
Okay, yay!
Yay, thank you.
I'm trading this. You're welcome. I'm trading this. Can I please have that?
No.
Why? Why? Excuse me?
Good luck. What you gonna do?
Can I have it? Fine. I'll just take it. Oh.
Hey.
Squishy. Okay, get it.
I'm gonna offer. I'm gonna put in 5 puppies.
You have a little doll over there. You have a doll over there. I'm just telling you. What is that?
It's 5 puppets.
Have you counted that correctly?
Yep.
What happened to those 2 puppets that I don't want to give away?
Oh yeah, the trash. Yeah, 7. Oh.
By the way, guys, we just want to say we're not bragging with these fidgets. I want to say we're grateful for everything.
Yeah,
What do you have to say?
We're really grateful and we're really grateful. Yeah, thank you so much for everything.
And whoever made it to 14 minutes and 4 seconds, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, thank you so much because you are a true fan. And that means you love watching us. So you're a true fan of the natkornsquad squad. So thank you. So we're just 6 puppets or however much it is. I'm going to
It was
give...
7, mate. Sorry. Yes.
This is really legendary. Shakira, Shakira. Shakira, Shakira. Shakira.
I'll accept.
Thank you. Shakira, Shakira. I feel like I'm winning, to be honest.
No, I headphones. I need to get for you.
So guys, we have finished our fidget training video. This is everything I have. I feel like my favorite tray that I got will probably have to be the love heart and the poppets, obviously. And I feel like I really love everything that I have, and I'm extremely grateful.
Extremely. My favorite tray.
Look how much I have. Sorry, your turn.
My favorite tray is all of them. I'm really grateful. Favorite trays. Yeah. My favorite. My favorite traits is all of them because I'm really grateful, and even though Natalie has more fidget and they're probably better, I love them all. I never just touch them.
So guys, comment down below who do you think has. By the way, guys, comment down below who do you think won, my sister. So yeah, but I think I've won.
Actually, I won.
I've won.
No, I won.
I've won.
I won.
I've won.
I'm just here.
Does you hand wrestle now? Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video of the fidget trading 3 years later. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys, love you, and subscribe to Natkornsquad. Bye.